Have to do
Yeah,
some
yeah.
more settings?
Yeah, YouTube is fine. Yeah,
That's
YouTube
it.
is good.
Yeah.
YouTube is good.
Yeah,
Nice, nice, nice.
YouTube is good.
yeah.
Yeah, well, like, hi guys.
Hi guys, this is our first stream.
Yeah,
I'm KV by the way, and
yeah.
I'm a day trader and a content creator. And beside me, High Stakes is there. High Stakes, could you please introduce yourself to the audience?
Hi guys, my name is High Stakes. I've actually been trading for almost like in the space for 3 years, and it's going good. You know.
Yeah, welcome guys to my channel. Like, I've also been trying prop firms and trading. Like, you can share your views. Like, this is nothing personal. Like, we don't share any financial advices here. Like, it's just our own opinions. Like, our own views and thoughts on what's the market update and what is actually happening live right now. So, like, the reason of this podcast would be like we wanted to like share our thoughts and views in terms of chatting. Like, we are not looking at just to sit in front of the camera and keep on explaining. We wanted to have an immersive experience. That's the goal
Yeah,
of this stream. So right now, like, we have been each of us are like a professional day trader, right, guys?
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Yeah, like how long you been trading, KV?
I've been trading for almost 1.5 years.
Okay.
I'm following Cotton Candy TA from the beginning. He's a
Mhm.
very famous YouTuber. So I guess we all follow him. So we are on
Yeah, yeah.
Cotton Air. Yeah.
Yes, like how you heard about Cotton's chart traders also, I guess. Like
Yeah.
you would have like how's the chart traders like have you tried it out?
Yeah, I'm on the leaderboards. I think I'm on top 20. So
Okay.
yeah,
But, like
it's
what about you, high stakes?
So like, I've been following cotton for almost 2.5 years, and my
Okay.
initial trading journey was from random YouTube videos, and I have paid for mentorship as well from other people from YouTube, and
Mm-hmm.
those 1 year was actually a little bit of a bumpy road because I was trying to figure it out here and there, trying to figure out other people's strategies, and then luckily through some people, one person specific, I came to know through Cotton's videos, and I started using his signs and everything, actual signs, and I still believe that that is actually the best thing which has happened to me as of now.
That's nice. Like I've also been like starting to trade in the beginning with all other like YouTube, whichever the free material. I didn't have the opportunity to pay, so I tried like free courses like on the YouTube, whichever is available. So I tried using them, and yeah, it's a fun journey, like where you try to figure out. And it was very beginning, like it's like just like a kid who's trying to go to a park and is very enthused.
yeah,
Yeah,
So yeah, so we're trying out, but since we were actually not kids, like we were mature enough to find out that whatever we are trying to like see through the like through the courses, like there was some void or gap, I would say.
yeah.
yes.
So
Thunder, why don't you share your charts and like tell me like
No,
what do you think about the markets?
why do we not start with talking about a
Mm-hmm.
little bit of give context about cotton,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
and why
Yeah,
cotton is so important to the people out there who is
yeah,
actually trying to make it in trading? So that will give actually a
yes,
good amount of information to other people, saying that okay, why people have to follow him. So
yeah.
yes,
so why don't Thunder start with is your perspective on what cotton has given you, what value he has
Yes.
given.
Yeah, like I would say that cotton's value is like it's just not a biased kind of review. Yes, of course, I'm biased on cotton, but I would say that you just give it a try and see, like how his science is like right on point. Like it's just more like your views would change a little bit, like because like it's not just a big make rich kind of thing.
Yes.
Like it's true grind. Like he doesn't say that you become rich. The first word like when I watched his first video, it was like he didn't say that you would become a millionaire or something kind of thing. He said it like in terms of be ready, like expect to lose, but humble yourself, like to like whatever the wins you are like that was really nice. Everyone was like, you follow my strategy, you become a millionaire. Follow my strategy, you will never lose. So that was not his
Moto.
approach, I would say.
Yeah,
Yeah, that was never his like in like it's his best interest. Like his way of teaching was like totally different from like whatever in the market. So that was also like a fishing net, I would say. Like it was not just, and his levels, like it was very good. Like it was not something like what I would say, like it's finding out any kind of
patterns or maybe
yeah,
certain.
patterns or what.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's really nice, like when you are actually trying to get to know about cotton. And
Yes.
yeah. So how was like how would you explain? Like you can, I think so. Your like OBS, your screen is actually a little bit cut.
Yeah, I texted high stakes regarding that.
What happened?
Yes, like you have
Like
to.
your screen is cut. Like
Yeah, you are half stake right now. You have to
yeah.
be full stake.
Right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did something on Discord or something, like on OBS or something. You resized or something.
No.
You check your OBS. You will get to know.
Wait. Yes. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Understood. Okay, fine. I think it's good.
Okay.
Now it's good, I think, right?
I don't know. Like you are only able to see the program thing.
It will appear like after 10-20 seconds, I guess.
No, he can. Yeah, you can see the like change on his
I
whatever.
can
Yeah,
see on my
yeah, high
OBS.
stakes, it's
I have
working.
changed it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
That is the live. That is the live. Like
Yeah,
whatever you're seeing on the
no,
OBS.
no,
yeah, now it's fine.
now it's
Okay,
fine.
okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
And high stakes, do the full screen when someone is speaking.
Oh, you want to do
It
that?
would
yeah.
be better.
Okay.
Y-
I
Thunder,
don't think so. You can't do
okay.
that. And
No, no, no,
like
you
you
can't
can't
do
do
it.
that
No, you can't do it. On
in
Discord.
Like,
Discord. We can't.
y-
Oh yeah, yeah,
no,
wait,
no,
wait, wait,
like,
wait, 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 wait. I can do it. I can do it. Yeah, but I have to change whoever is talking. Like I have to make it like this. Yeah. Can you
Yeah,
see the stream now? But I think, see,
yeah, yeah,
do
I
you
can.
think this is better? This view is better, or do you think this one is better? Three people is better.
yeah. Three people would be nice because
Yeah,
like
yeah,
we
yeah. Okay.
are. Yeah, but only thing in Discord is like it is. I wish it came like tiles, like separate, like you can change it on Google Meet and kind of thing.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Okay, understood. Yeah, whoever is talking is given a more priority, right?
I think so. If you turn off grid view, you can see whoever is
Grid
like
view.
talking.
Okay,
Yeah,
1 minute.
but I think so. Your camera would become small. Yeah. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, your camera is like
I think this is much better.
you-
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Leave it just like that because like
Yeah.
right.
So Thunderbolt has officially compared us with tiles. So now we'll move forward, and I guess high stakes. You can tell us and the audience about what do you think about Cotton Candy TA and his science.
Yes, yes, yes. So, cotton coming to cotton was a difficult one. The thing was like I had to convince my friend, best friend, to tell me which channel he's actually following. So, what happened is in the 1 year I was actually trying out trading from different people. So initially, like I went to YouTube, I searched for all these you know strategies and everything, how to make it in trading. I was like 3 months is more than enough to make it in trading. It's going to be easy, you know. And I found one person, and I'm not going to tell the YouTube channel. So I paid him. I paid around close to 10,000 rupees initially. Then I was actually watching his YouTube content for almost around 5 4 5 months. Then I thought, okay, why don't he's actually doing a mentorship? Why don't I pay for it? I paid for it, and The only thing he actually taught in that was some patterns, head and shoulder pattern, wedge pattern, how when a trend breaks, when volume increases before compared to the previous candle, you just have to buy. That is when the trend breaks. All those things, patterns and all. So I was like, okay, he's teaching some good things. He's giving some basic information about how the market structure is and everything. I was very excited. So I think he did around seven, 5 to 7 sessions. Okay, and it was good. It was good for me. And so after coming from that, after learning and trying out the strategies and everything, and not able to make money, I was actually doing options at that time, Nifty and Bank Nifty, and it was very, 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 what do you can say, I was confused. I was confused, how to use this, how is he using it. He's following a certain pattern, but these patterns are not working. It's not working in my favor. Okay, so when do I have to buy these patterns? I was like thinking in my head. So then after coming from him, I understood, okay, this is not the right way to make money. Then what happened was I
Yeah.
paid for another person through YouTube itself. I was watching his YouTube videos as well, parallelly, and I paid for his basically they call it call. They all people logging at 9:30, and they actually give you signals basically. You know and so I entered his Telegram channel. I was like, bro, I paid around 3,000 rupees. I paid for that, and I was like, okay, so I'm gonna try this, and I tried it. He gives call signals like every 1 hour, like this and everything, and people started buying it, and we don't know where to exit. He's only giving us an entry, you know. He's not giving us an exit point. He's like, okay, stay in the trade, nothing. He's not telling that. Buy here at this much. This is the quantity you have to pay. Keep in mind. This is stop loss you have to keep. No target. So I was like, how is this going to work in the long term? How am I going to rely on a different person to make my decisions? You know, through another person. That's not the right way to do it, right? So then I was like thinking. So at the same time, I was talking to another guy he's my school friend. I was talking to him, and I was like, he's also trying out trading, and he was like, bro, you do trading, okay, nice. So who do you follow? And he was like, bro, I do science of trading. I'm like, okay, nice, science of trading, that's great. And can you tell me the YouTube channel? He's like, no, I'm not going to tell the YouTube channel. So it's like, I just asked him, I was like relentlessly asking him the YouTube name and everything, and I was like, he wouldn't tell it. So then what happened was I tried to pull a certain amount of information from him, what is he actually doing and all these things. So he's like, I'm using hold levels, break levels. I'm like, hold levels, okay, okay. Trends and everything. So trends I've already heard, people use it. It's a very common term. So I've not heard about this hold levels and everything. So I have watched this guy. I didn't know that I have watched him, Cotton, before him telling me this. I watched his videos, one of his video, and it was a very long video, and I was like, bro, this is too much information. I don't need this much information to do trading. And then somehow, I used to go to his house every 2 days, 3 days, and everything, just to talk to him and get to know the information out of him. And then finally, he is like telling all this information about break levels, origin levels, and all these things. I got to know it. Then I went and searched YouTube everywhere. I got his channel. I was like, he had, I think, around less than 70k followers at that time, 70 or 60k followers. I was like, I subscribed to him, and then it was a very long course, and I was like, bro, I don't need to learn this much amount of information. So that is when he put actually advance of trading, so remastered version of beginner, those levels, advanced and beginners
Yeah.
of remastered. And I was like, okay, I'll watch this 14 videos. I'm gonna become rich. And then I realized there's like how many, there's 100 more videos, you have to watch. And I was like, okay, I'm not gonna do this. Then after a certain point of time, I decided, when I got a job, I moved to Bangalore. I was bored after after 9 o'clock and all, so I just watched his videos continuously. I got hooked to it. Then I watched. Then I was eager. That's how I actually came to Cotton, and then I've actually stayed with him, as till now, and it's been a very
Yeah,
good
that's
journey,
good.
very, very good journey.
So, what do you recommend if, I would like to ask Thunder this question, that
Okay.
what like if a boy or a girl is around 17 or 18 years old, right, and they want to
Mm.
come into trading and discover this world, make money, and become a better version of themselves. So Thunder, like, as you have like around 3 years of experience, I guess, so what do you recommend them, like how do they approach trading? And also I'll ask this question to like high stakes after you. Yeah, please.
Yeah, it's a very complicated way because like there are a lot of social medias
Yeah.
platform where people misguide them, but I wouldn't say everybody is misguiding them because like there are strategies which like how they approach is mechanical way and it is kind of working for them due to like risk to reward. But like when you are not taking your what to say, I don't want to go into the detailed part of stuff. If
Yeah, yeah.
someone new is watching, like if they really want to make money quickly, this is the fastest way to lose money. Also in this industry is the easiest way to lose money. So they can like how much ever the money might be, even like there is a news that like people have lost more than a billion like in a day, like not in a day, in a hour or two, like in minutes.
Okay.
So yeah, this industry is actually like the fastest way to lose money also if you are like get rich kind of mindset, the reason that we are doing trading is to make money, that is true. But this industry like will test your ego, it'll test all your weakness, it'll test everything, like every corner, like just like D-cycle theory, it'll test all the possible data points. It won't leave any untested hole levels, like just like our science. It'll test all your weak points and it'll tell where you're strong.
Yeah.
But I would say them like take it slow, like if you don't have a good mentor, like don't try strategies, like try to like analyze how they're teaching first. Are they actually teaching you in terms of like how high stakes said that they give you only entry price and they don't
Yeah.
give you exit price? Like if someone is telling like give us the capital, we'll do it for you. Except banks like mutual funds or like big hedge funds, don't go for any forex kind of crypto and forex are really, like very much shady. Like if you don't know what you're doing, like they could just take your money and like you can't even find their address. Like
Yeah.
the, yeah, like even if their address is there, you can't go there. It'll be in some island, like in the yeah, you like yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So that's the most if you want to run your family as a husband, or like if you have a father, like if you're like in 17 18, you would think like if your father is there at home and some other man is actually trying to give decisions at your home, you think your father is actually like is he wise enough or is he dumb? That's what you will question if your father is not taking the decisions for the house. Just like that, don't give your money to anyone else. Like yeah, you can get advice. Yes, you can do banks and hedge funds, they are professional.
Yeah.
But that doesn't guarantee, like nobody is guaranteed in this industry. The only thing like I would say is like go slow. Like prop firms have come to this industry, like prop firms are really good. Like you can lose very little on prop firms. Like you can what to say, the amount of risk involved in prop firms is very low. Like um,
Yeah, but
if you
Thunder, like the person like who is 17 or 18 years old, for example, so I think we should first tell them to paper trade, I guess.
paper trade is okay, but you don't have any emotions. It's just like games. If you die 100 times in a game, you don't have any problem. Yes,
Hmm.
you may learn to get a resilience on that, but you may develop bad habits also on paper trading because
Hmm.
in paper trading, if you don't have a proper like maximum loss, you don't care whether the trade goes to like if you're taking a 50,000 or $10,000 account on a paper trading, you don't worry where how much percentage it goes down. You know, because like learning the science, like learning the technical analysis takes like like the basic, like whatever the support resistance or whatever names which we each one of us give, it'll take like respectively 1 year, maximum 6 months. You can know the names. Within 6 months you'll know the names, whatever of the support, what people call liquidity, order flow, or whatever it might be. But like your what to say, paper trading won't give you a goal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now I would like to ask High Stakes the same question. Then I'll also add some mind points. So High Stakes, what do you think? If I am a 17-year-old KV, what would you advise me?
So like, see, it's at, like, at an age like that, right? Everyone is like, you know they are very hyperactive in terms of thinking that, you can become a millionaire, or you can become, like, make a lot of money in a very short period of time. But the main thing you have to understand is, see, I'll give a very simple concept. Like, you are going to college, right? 4 years of engineering, or maybe, like, you are trying to become a doctor. And if you want to become a doctor, and you want to treat a patient, the first patient you are trying to treat, you are learning around 8 to 10 years, and you are trying to increase your experience. You are the main focus of becoming a doctor is not to kill the person, right? You are just to treat him, right? So you have to know the ins and outs and everything, right? So it's basically, trading is exactly like that, it's a journey. Okay, it's a place where you have to figure things out through trial and error, and understand that, you know this is the right path, this might not be the right path. That is your capability to understand that. And I would say a 17-year-old who's actually trying to, coming into the trading space, don't rush it. Okay, so try to go to different people, learn from YouTube. Everything you want to learn, anything you want to learn, everything is on YouTube for free. You don't have to pay anyone. You don't see, I'm telling you, like, any guy, don't pay even the highest, the people who actually make millions of dollars. They are making money not only through trading, they actually make money through their courses, they have maybe business, they have a lot of things. Okay, they
Yeah.
showcase their money not only through trading. Their sole job at that moment, because they have already made the amount of money which they are comfortable with to start a business or something else, or starting a course, and they are making money through that. So their sole focus is not on trading. They might be investing long term or swing trading, and they'll be like, okay, I'll make a passive income from that, and I'll actually, improve my business, which I want. Maybe it might be a clothing brand or something like that for them. And so, like, the main thing is, focus on the first 2 years on building a good foundation of about the markets. That's the main focus. That should be your main focus. So, like,
Yeah.
try, don't, it's like, don't even trade, don't take any trades, don't paper trade, nothing. Learn the concepts. What is resistance, what is support. That's the only two things you actually need, so support and resistance. But people don't know that, that's the only thing you need, you know so. And like, whatever we talk about cotton, break levels, hold levels, he exactly says is, you don't even need hold levels or break levels. You don't even need the concept of it. You need to just know how the market structure is. Okay. And I would say cotton gives you the reality, and other people gives you, you know like, you can manifest this as long as possible, but you wouldn't reach that point. It's just a dream for a 17-year-old, whatever they're
Yeah.
showcasing. So I would say any person who's coming to trading should actually not start with cotton. I would say start with everything. Start with watching everything from everyone, and then you will come to know that, okay, these are all bullshit. And then you'll actually come to know that, okay, Cotton is the person who is giving you a reality check of how this works and how difficult this is. And if any person tells you that, they are a day trader, and and it actually reflects from their, it doesn't reflect in their lifestyle, he's not a day trader, definitely not. So you should just stay away from that person. That's one, like, opinion I would give from myself. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. So, from Thunder and High Stakes, what we can conclude is, if you are a 17-year-old watching us, hoping that you would make it as a day trader, so it's not a straight journey, it's a dynamic journey, and you should be able to save your money as well as not get stuck with get rich quick schemes, right?
Yes,
Correct.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think that's the basic things which a 17 years need to take care, and also like go in a legal way. Never ever ever go in illegal ways, shady brokers. Stay away from shady brokers. See, like, in whichever country you are, what are registered broker. You need to do it in a legal way from the first day, because it's very easy to do illegal stuff, but when you get trapped, you get trapped. So
Yeah.
yeah,
It's a very shady, type of career you can have. This is a very very shady career. And if someone
Yeah.
tells you, if someone is openly telling that, I trade, they might be like, investing. That's the only thing they will do. It's they are not a
yeah,
day trader. So I would say it's like, don't believe everyone.
Yeah.
You have to figure it out of on your own. Like, I can't give a perspective for a different person. My perspective have changed through my journey. Like, I have figured it
Yeah.
out through that, 3.5 years of, doing that. That's the main, like, nobody can, like, the experience I cannot share all my experience with you. You have to figure it out, and you have to go through the journey. That's the thing.
yeah.
Yeah.
Now I want to ask Thunderbolt a question regarding regarding the importance of nutrition in day trading. So I know like Thunder do a lot of nutritional research also and follows it day by day. So Thunder, could you please tell us how energy and how multivitamins are important in our trading journey?
Yeah. Like what I would say is like nutrition is like it plays a lot during while you're trading, like your mental brain fog. Like if you're having an I don't know, like what to say, even if you had a fight with it, like your family or something, like it really messes up your mind. It's very difficult. Like I would say I am not the best person to tell about nutrition because like I myself have I may have the best knowledge about it,
Yeah,
but I would like to, when it comes to public, like I would say like do your own research.
yeah,
Like there, like today we have ChatGPT. We have like what why I mentioned ChatGPT is like you can cross question them. Like you can't cross question your doctor or nutritionist a lot of things. You can cross question it. You can add, like tell it to give you a research. If you are not able to find videos or like take time to sit in a video and learn the stuff, you can go through like chat gpt and ask simple questions like what is the required like for like foods or supplements
yeah,
to take. Like it will give you a genuine answer. Like my words may be kind of a questioning, like so it may be kind of like like what to say, doubting, unbelief. But right now we have the right technology in which,
yeah,
yeah, like it helps everyone. Like the amount of information right out there, like it's Google is different. Like Google is, you have to know what to ask, so you have to
yeah,
give the right information. So yeah, it's like Google is also not so complicated, but ChatGPT you can ask it in terms of dosage also. Like you can, like I don't recommend also that to do it directly. See what is like once you get get a number or what is the required amount of dosage, you can then check with Google like what
yeah.
is this, what are the side effects for that. Like
So, hmm,
yeah, you can do it like that. So you can take a balance. It's just a balance.
yeah. So
Yeah.
I would say that if you can afford a nutritionist, you should, and but do your own
Yeah.
research as well. That
Yes.
whatever supplements you are taking, you should be
Correct.
fully aware of it. Now, High Stakes is our gym guy, and he will be like giving me advice how to build muscles. So High stakes, share your vision on nutrition and the importance of exercise in day trading.
Okay, so I think that is actually the most important thing you should have. So because the thing is, see, trading is something that you are playing with yourself, right? It's basically like you versus you. Okay, it's playing
Right.
with your mind, you know. So how it's not anything physical. See, you how do you increase your physical? You increase your physical by strengthening your mind, right? So you basically remove the the comfortable situations from the things like comfortable situations, and you're making it uncomfortable, which is actually strengthening your mind, saying that okay, this is going to be easier the next day or the next month, you know. So that's the most important thing everyone has to understand. So trading is exactly like that. It's a reflection of you, you know. How you are is going to be the exact person you're going to become, maybe in 5 years or 3 years or like that. So uh, so it's like, so I would say gym, it's not specifically gym. Doing something which is requiring a lot of effort from you, and which is pushing you out of your comfort zone, is the most important thing. So it can be like, maybe you can be playing football, you know. You can try for playing like semi pro. You can try to become a semi pro. That's basically trying to strengthen your mind. It's very difficult to even reach semi pro for normal, like I would say, for normal people. And even when you're trying for gym, your body might not change for 6 months. You are like frustrated with your journey, like you're like, what am I doing wrong? It's not, like, I don't know how to figure this out. So that is when you have hit a plateau. You are trying to, your mind is telling you that you're going back to your comfort zone, you're not trying to learn, you're not trying to improve it. So I would say, like, the most important thing you have to focus is, your body becomes what you eat, and your nutrition is the most important thing. So getting your right amount of protein, amount of fats, carbohydrates,
Yeah,
and there are a lot of micronutrients. And I know most of the people actually lack in vitamin D as well, in terms of nutrition right now, because most of the people are sitting in front of the laptop or watching Netflix or something like that, and being at
yeah,
home. So they don't have direct contact with the sun. So it's like most of the people are going out in the night time to play football or something, or physical activities like that. So which is bad. So focusing on nutrition and focusing on supplements, I would, like, like, it can be anything, ashwagandha, it can be like, vitamin C, it can be vitamin D, anything. So like it's a very, nutrition is a big topic, which is we will try to do a video on, and we'll
yeah,
tell you what all we can, what all nutrition we have to take in order to basically improve your mental well-being, you know.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Thunder,
That was
like,
really nice questions
mm,
from KV. Like I
Yeah,
actually,
yeah,
yeah, yeah, you guys are like a guest to my channel, but like KV was like taking the lead. Like it's really good. Like
exactly,
because I'm
exactly.
not this is never a prepared
Yes.
like service, like sorry, prepared podcast or something like that.
Yeah.
It's
yeah,
just I want to, it's like we want to hang out in Discord, but like on YouTube, like we want to talk about what we're doing every day. So yeah, like we can change this in terms of like how we are interacting in Discord in future sessions.
Yes,
Like
we can do that.
we don't need to do it in
yes,
terms of only podcast.
Yes.
We will do it in terms of training itself, like whatever
Yeah.
training, fitness, yoga, whatever, like whatever you're doing, we can do it. Like we'll have a conversation like we're having in Discord, because like we don't want people to like think whether this is like the discussion like
Yeah.
that answers only them. We'll have a like just a casual kind of conversation, and we'll build it from there.
Yes. We are
yeah,
we are gonna have a.
Yeah.
I think it's better to focus on the general public rather than people who are actually much more focused on trading also. Like, trading
Yeah,
has
yeah,
to be
yeah.
about specific.
We will do this like Big Boss or something. Who would like?
Exactly.
I never watched Big Boss, to be honest, but
Even I
I
also
like how
don't.
like people want to like view other people's life. So that is the like
Yeah.
interesting. Yeah, like they are interested to see. So we will have a
Exactly.
conversation just like we're having on Discord.
Yes.
So let people like if they want to judge, or if they want to see, if they want to do whatever they want,
Yes.
we'll have it in that way, instead of like asking questions, instead of seeing it
yeah,
like. like making it like in my channel I want it like that. In your channel, if you want it like questions and
No, we'll
like
focus on
like
first your channel. We'll focus on your channel, and we'll
yeah,
focus on KB's podcast. So those are the
okay,
two things. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna I'm gonna paste your YouTube channel in my Instagram so that people actually go there and watch it.
okay,
So what I'll do that, like, we'll focus on that first. That should be, it's like a group thing, but your channel basically. Okay, so
mm,
and we can invite other people as well to, you know,
mm,
improve what other people think of perspective of, not only related to trading, about their life, about their journey, you know, what they think on certain things, you know, like as KV told, right, some geopolitical issues, or how do they feel about that, how do they feel about this and everything. So I think that it's going to be a very open conversation, so we don't want to restrict
yeah,
to anything, you know. And yeah,
yeah, we can do it that way. That's good.
I think we
Like
have to
then we'll
select
wrap.
topics. We have to select topics also. I think, but like, for what we can do, right?
Yeah, that's what like if that becomes like kind of a podcast kind of thing.
Okay,
We'll just have a casual like that's all like it's like just like Big Boss, like we are all having chilling.
okay.
We are it like it's just like we are in a cafe, like we are friends in a cafe. We'll have those kind of
I
conversation.
Yeah.
If
Right.
there is
You don't give
something,
us tasks.
I
Like,
think
yeah,
I
yeah,
think
please, yeah,
I think you have, what you have to do is
like
you have to name your episodes. I think you have to put as episodes.
yeah.
I think that is
yeah.
best. I think episode
Day
one,
one,
episode
9
two.
p.m.
Yeah, that's what like we can do it like that, and make it like we're just gonna hang out like Discord. But if you want to do like separate podcast kind of thing, like KB is already
KV
doing
is
that.
already doing that. Yeah, KV is doing that.
KB is already doing that. We can do it on like his channel or something
Yes,
like that.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, definitely.
But here it's like it's just like a podcast. Like I think yeah, I
Casual
got a name for
hangout,
It's
casual
not a
like I
hangout.
got
podcast. Then it's a
yeah,
casual.
it's
Yeah.
yeah, it's a cafe. I would say it's a knowledge cafe kind of thing.
Thunder's Cafe.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, we can
yeah,
name it Knowledge Cafe or something like that. Yeah, I think
Yeah.
you have to
yeah,
create a separate playlist for that on YouTube, and so
yeah,
you actually keep those playlist videos on to that playlist, so that
yeah.
people can go there and listen to the conversation if they want to. Yeah, I think that would be
Yeah, like Knowledge Cafe will be more like kind of a nerdy one. We'll think of some
We'll think
funny
of
way
something.
like
Yeah,
to
we'll think
yeah.
of something like
We'll
that.
add cafe. Cafe is there. Like we added the surname. The first name will come in a day or two.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Will
That would be
yeah.
good. Yeah. So,
So that's it. We'll have a wrap then. Okay.
okay, okay, fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Take care.
Okay,
Like it.
guys. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice
Bye bye.
day.
Yeah. You can cut the stream, man.